Hello everyone. In today's video, I will demonstrate how to make a single crochet stitch. We're going to be using the magic ring as our foundation. Okay, here it is. So this is our magic ring. Step 1, you're going to insert your hook through the magic ring from the front, like so. Now you're going to see 2 strands on the magic ring, but we're going to treat it as one. The reason you see 2 strands is because one of them is our tail end. Okay. Step 2, you're going to yarn over from back to front. Step 3, pull the working yarn through the magic ring. And I'm keeping my project stable by holding it with my middle finger. Step 4, yarn over from back to front. Step 5, you're going to pull the working yarn through the second and first loop. And notice I'm also holding the project with my left hand before I pull the yarn through the loops. And I'm going to rotate my hook slightly downward so that it can go through the loops. Okay. And this is our first single crochet. This is the top view, our 2 strands of the stitch, and this is our 2 strands on the side. Let's do some more. Step 1, insert hook through the magic ring. Step 2, yarn over from back to front. Step 3, pull the yarn through the magic ring. Now we have our 2 loops, second loop and first loop on the hook. Step 4, yarn over from back to front. And step 5, you're going to pull this yarn through the second and first loop, like so. Okay, and this is, if I put them together, you'll see, oh, sorry about that. You'll see our first single crochet stitch, and this is our second. And let me show you how it looks from the top view. This is our first, and this is our second. Okay, make sure I grab my working yarn. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these are the single crochet stitch. I hope that this video helped. Remember, you can watch this video as many times as you need. Thank you for watching, and until next time.